Hello and welcome to this video, and over here we're going to focus on learning about the methods that are supported by the tuple data type, and methods are operations that a data type supports. Okay, and what we are going to see is that a tuple data type has two methods. One is for count and the other is for index. And so I'm going to use an example to explain to you what each of these methods does, and then you will build an intuition of knowing when to use which. Okay, so let's say I have fruits in here. Okay, and I'm going to say there's mango. It's amazing how I don't know names of several fruits. So there's guava, there is banana, there is avocado, there is pear. Okay, and let me repeat mango again to prove to you that the tuple data type allows repetition of values. So there is mango here and there is also mango here, but it doesn't matter, it is still going to allow that. To confirm that, I'm going to print fruits, and then we will run this program. So this is Python 3 tuple methods.py, and you can see that indeed mango is here and mango is also there. Like I said, there's a collection data type called set which wouldn't allow this, but that is not the focus of this video. All right, so what if we want to count how many mangoes there are in this tuple? Well, the tuple data type, like I said, has a method, and a method is an operation that is supported by a particular data type. So it has a method called count, which receives the value that you believe is present in the tuple, and that method is going to return the number of items in the tuple that match what you put in there. Okay, so if I say fruits, the way you invoke a method for a particular data type is, first of all, you need a variable that stores a value of that data type, and to invoke the method, use the dot and the method name. Okay, so I can say fruit dot count. I want to count how many mangoes there are in there. So if I do this and we run the program again, I am seeing 2 because there are 2 mangoes appearing in the tuple. Let's search for banana, and let's see, there is 1. Let's search for banana starting with a small b to prove a point. It says 0, and that shouldn't surprise you because the items in your tuple are case sensitive. What I mean by case sensitive is that something that is spelled in smaller cases are different from those that are spelled in upper cases. So yes, there is banana, but it's a capital B. So if I want to count how many bananas are in there, I need to spell it exactly as indicated in the tuple creation. Otherwise, it will report 0 for you. And the same thing applies if you search for something that doesn't exist. So let me search for bread in fruits, and let's see what's going to happen. Clear. And you can see that indeed that is also 0. Okay, there is another method called index, which tells you the index at which the first index at which a particular item is found. Okay, so if I change this to, let me come down here, I'm going to comment this out, and down here I'm going to print fruit.index. So I'm looking for the index where banana is found, and you can see by inspection that this is 0, 1 and 2. Let's see if we get it right. And indeed you get 2 because banana is located at index 2. Okay, so mango is at index 0 and is also at the last part of it. Let's see what is going to happen if we ask it to give us the index of mango. Okay, so if I put in mango here, let's see, it says 0 because I said the index reports the index of the first item that matches what you are searching for. And because we said mango and mango is the first thing, it will return index 0. If I remove this first mango here, then we should expect that we get an index that is at the last part, which is 4. Okay, so we have learned about the count, which returns a number that represents how many times a particular item appears in the tuple, and the index that tells us which index we can use to reach a particular item. Thank you very much for watching this. Let's take a quick break, and I will see you in the next video where we talk about nested tuples, which is a tuple within a tuple. So I will see you very soon.